Xin chào, welcome back to Cooking with Jane. Today I'm showing you guys another dish that I really love, especially because of the ingredients. It is the pomelo salad. Let's see what I have. Of course, one pomelo, one carrot, one cucumber, some herbs included basil and mint, roasted peanuts, coconut meat. This is optional. If you don't have it, it's totally fine. Shrimp chips, pork belly, and peeled shrimp, some shallots, garlic, chili. So we start here. First of all, I will boil the pork belly. I have here about 500 milliliter water for boiling pork. I add some salt. While waiting, we preparing other ingredients. I'll start with the pomelo. Since my mother's hometown is where people grow a lot of pomelos, so anytime I went visit my grandparents from my mother's side, I was always really excited because I really love pomelos, and I was always amazed of one thing. I'll show you now. Ta-da! You can see it's another kind of pomelo. It's not the white one, but it's the pink one. I was always surprised anytime my grandma cut the pomelo. And we divide into some petals. But you don't cut all of it, but just until a half of the skin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I divide it into 7 parts. Now I will start peeling off the skin. Don't use your fingers, it could destroy your fingers. So use another knife. My grandmother influenced on my cooking style a lot, and she inspired me all the time with her love for cooking. She showed me a lot of things when she was still alive, and her favorite fruit the whole time was pomelos. Okay, just start from here. With pomelos, you can keep them for even up to 1 month. The longer you keep them, the longer the better they become. See? Traditionally, there've been a lot of Vietnamese women using pomelo skin for shampooing their hair, and it really helps improve the smoothness of the hair. And there's a squid dessert snack that people make from the skin of pomelos. It's ready. So I add the pork belly. Some people do boil shrimps as well. However, I prefer to fry them instead of boiling. Here you can see. Now we will start removing from the bottom. You just need to do it slowly, otherwise you could destroy the shape. In restaurants, they use the skin to decorate, or this is how I did when I was a kid. Ta-da! My new hat, how does it look? Here you go. I just leave it here. Now I will start removing the white part. The color is so nice. The pink pomelos are really sweeter than the white ones, and of course it's a bit more expensive. Cooking this really reminds me of grandmother. My grandmother was my idol, my really good friend. Unfortunately, she passed away when I was only 14. So to make a salad for 2 persons, I will just need a half of this pomelo. This pomelo was 1.5 kilograms. However, you could see the skin is really heavy. I would say it's about 300 grams. Now I'm just using a half of this. So in case if you buy the peeled pomelo, you know the amount. I use the bigger pot. And then you cut from here. And continue removing these. See the color. So after removing all of skin, I will have about 500 grams pomelo meat. So beautiful. My grandma once said, when you cook, make sure that your food looks beautiful first, because people are turned to eat by eyes first. Then this I leave here. Now I continue with other ingredients. With carrots, I will use a razor to make it into stripes like this. I just use a half. Then I do the same with cucumber. By doing this, I will remove the middle part, the seed of the cucumber. We just need the crispy part ready here. Then with shallots, I'll cut them into slices. This. Today I have 3 singers over there. My neighbors are singing karaoke. I check. Pork belly. No, still a bit hot. Probably it will take about 5 minutes more. As long as the chopsticks could go through the pork belly, then it's done. While waiting, I make the sauce for mixing with the salad later. Of course, you could see I have garlic here and chili. Use as much as you like. Well, like this. I forgot one lime. The last time I made mango salad, the mango was already sour, so I didn't need anything else sour. But this time, with all of these, none of them is sour. Let me see. Pomelo is really sweet, so I need something a little bit sour. Usually the Vietnamese salads are a bit sour, sweet, spicy. Yeah. Now I add some fish sauce, 2 tablespoons, then lime juice. It is totally up to your taste, how sweet, how sour, how spicy you like your salad. Then you can adjust these ingredients. You can also add some sugar if you like. However, these today are kind of sweet, so I wouldn't add any more sugar. And see? It is ready. Now I fry shallots in oil. 1 teaspoon oil. Add all of these, and I continue frying until shallots turn brown. If you've watched my videos before, you will see this is a very popular technique in Vietnamese cooking. Vietnamese use a lot of fried shallots this way. Wow, smelling good. This is enough for me. Now I season shrimp with just 1 teaspoon Knorr seasoning powder and a little bit black pepper, just a little bit. Then I chop one piece of garlic to fry shrimp. Also some oil, garlic, then shrimp. Medium heat. It just takes about 2 minutes to fry this shrimp. Then now I fry some shrimp chips. Make sure you don't fry a lot at once because they blossom really quickly. I can only take care of 3 at once. First one, second, see how fast they are blossoming. I would say we use the shrimp chips for every salad as a Vietnamese. Now I cut a boiled pork belly into slices, however, just this thick. Done! Now it's time for mixing the salad. So I already have cucumber and carrot. Now I'll add pomelo, and then meat. Oh, I need a bigger bowl, so I put everything back to another bigger bowl. Then shrimp, shallots, then fish sauce. Then I mix everything all together. Then plating them. This is optional topping. Then herbs. Then peanut. Then shrimp chips. Then it's done! Ready! So I'm done with a new recipe today for you guys. Hope you enjoyed seeing what I cooked today, and it might be the next dish you will cook for your family or yourself to stay healthy and creative in cooking as well. So it's time for eating. See you next time!